Dr. Jaffe, what kind of surprising truths about supplements can you share with us today?
There are many. You may take a daily supplement, yet is it bioavailable? Is it the correct form? Is it really helpful? These are critical issues, often undisclosed, such as bioavailability or the effectiveness of ingredients as combined. Quality of ingredients is critical. Cheap and ineffective ingredients often are chosen by manufacturers to keep the cost down, but they are placebos at best and nocebos too often. For example, nutrient bioavailability is not yet required on the label, just the amounts in the product. This is not enough. It's confusing. For example, ground up rocks like the oxide, carbonate, chloride, or sulfate make your cells more acidic and have only a small percent bioavailability, and yet they are hidden ingredients in almost all supplements. Let's compare soluble 100% bioavailable forms of minerals. Magnesium glycinate is bioavailable and metabolically neutral. Choline citrate triples the magnesium uptake compared to magglycinate and corrects choline deficiency, while the citrate energizes and neutralizes XL cell acids. This is a trifecta of benefits now that you know. Full disclosure labels have been a standard at PERQUE since 1987. Let's do a deep dive into B12, just a single nutrient. It's commonly available in three forms: the cyanocobalamin, nature's hydroxycobalamin, and more recently methylcobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is fine if you're taking a microgram or two, but if you're taking milligrams a day, as I think you need in the 21st century to do all the wonderful things that B12 is involved in, that cyanide is not helpful. Nature's hydroxycobalamin is our preferred form. If we compare it with methylcobalamin, methylcobalamin causes hypermethylation. Not good. Nature's B12 wins again. The same quality issues are true for the full B complex and for minerals and other vitamins and cofactors. PERQUE only uses nature's preferred ingredients in contemporary needed amounts. Now, testing for impurities and solvents and heavy metals is a start, but we test, for example, at parts per billion ppb with ICP mass spec, which is more sensitive and accurate. Harmful levels of heavy metals are routinely found in undistilled fish oil, in multivitamins, multiminerals, detoxification formulas, and zinc. We recommend soluble, uncontaminated minerals with energizing and alkalinizing counterions like citrate, but also malate, succinate, fumarate, and butyrate. Butyrate mostly from MCT. Evidence of efficacy and safety and of clinical results. Most companies borrow other scientific reports that often use different forms or protocols. Does the product really work? At PERQUE, we bring together superior ingredients with pioneering technologies to deliver feel-the-difference results promptly. Then we collect feedback from colleagues, as well as performing community-based clinical outcome studies. We review needed nutrients in our book, Thriving in the 21st Century. What we need today to thrive is much more than the daily value would imply, and includes whole foods, healthier beverages, safer supplements, activities, and relationships that nurture and stretch us. Too many are unaware of what personal proactive prevention can really deliver. 80% of people today are chronically unwell and just surviving. We want you to thrive by choosing wisely. PERQUEs contain ingredients that have been third-party tested for potency and purity. Manufacturing processes like distilling under nitrogen for fish oils that are then micellized into a soft gel to protect omega-3 EPA DHA. Similarly, we have nature's ascorbate produced under a nitrogen blanket to prevent oxidative damage to the ascorbate being produced, as happens when ascorbate is produced in air containing oxygen, as is routine. These and related advances are increasingly recognized as needed today to exclude toxins while producing nature's preferred forms of primary essential nutrients. So now you know how to choose wisely supplements for today.